Hi ladies, today I am going to teach you how to clean your brushes. It is very important to have clean brushes when applying your makeup because the makeup goes on smoother, it's a better finish, it's just a better application if your brushes are cleaner. For daily, if I'm going from one brush to another, I will use a product called Cinema Secrets. It does just kind of a quick spot treatment, a spot cleaning. So you can do that, but you want to clean your brushes like a deep clean every 2 to 4 weeks. And our brush cleaner is really good for that. And we do have brushes. The best brushes to use with our products are synthetic brushes, and that's what all of these are. So let's get right to it, and I'll show you how to clean those brushes. Okay, so first you start out with, I have one of these silicone pads that have suctions on them. And you just stick it on the bottom of your sink, and I wet it a little bit. Then I take the cap from the climate control, and I take our brush cleaner and put a little bit in there and dilute it a little bit because it's highly concentrated. So then I start with the smaller brushes, and you just dip them in there. And since this is already wet, you can find which ones clean it easier. And the bigger the brush is, it'll do some foaming up. And I don't do them all at once to save on water, so the water isn't running the whole time. You save the bigger brushes for last because they're going to use most of the liquid up. They're going to suck it up more. And this is my foundation brush, so this is going to take quite a bit. Let's suck that all up. And the foundation brush usually takes a little extra. So then we're going to rinse them all. See how that's running clean? So my foundation brush is clean. So then now I'm going to show you a easy way to dry your brushes. Okay, a lot of people, when they dry their brushes, they'll put them in a cup and dry them like this. That is a no-no because the water will drip down into the barrel of the brush and it'll ruin it. So here's a little hack on how to hang your brushes to dry. If you have some little rubber bands, hair ties, this is a nice towel bar, and I just take it, put your brush up in there, and it'll hold it and let them dry so it doesn't ruin them. And you'll have nice, dry, clean brushes.